House of 10 session of 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly unanimously passes 6 demand for grants amounting over 2,000 crore rupees today. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren says necessary action should be taken against violators of Manipur Conservation of Paddyland and Wetland Act. Education Minister T.H. Radhesham says no in toto approval yet by state government on draft national education policy. Minister T.H. Shamkumar appreciates Raj Medicity for all its initiatives in health sector of Manipur on its 16th Foundation Day. Manipur's renowned theatre group Kalakshetra Manipur kicked off a 9-day festival of plays 2020 on its Golden Jubilee. And Youth Affairs and Sports Department observed Sanaroi Singhi Numit 2020 at Kumalampak Sports Complex, Men's Stadium. Kurumjari, good evening. You are watching Tuesday Primetime English News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top stories this evening. House of the 10th session of 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly unanimously passed 6 demands for grants amounting 2,569 crore 90 lakh and 14,000 rupees today. The demands are demand number 4, land revenue, stamps and registration and district administration. Demand number 5, Finance Department. Demand number 25, Youth Affairs and Sports Department. Demand number 28, State Excise. Demand number 29, Sales Tax, Other Taxes, Duties on Commodities and Services. And demand number 42, State Academy of Training. Opposition MLAs K. Ranjit, Dr. Chaltalin Amo, D. Korungthang, Mohammad Abdul Nazir, Kesh Joy Kishan, R.K. Imo, Surja Kumar Okram and K. Meghachandra raised policy cut motions on all the demands except for demand number 29 and demand number 42. After necessary response by the concerned ministers and discussions on the same, the House finally passed all the 6 demands unanimously. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren said necessary actions should be taken against violators of Manipur Conservation of Paddyland and Wetland Act, that is MCPL and WA 2014, to save paddylands for the future generations. While Revenue Minister Karam Sham expressed disappointment that people continue to construct structures in violation of the Act. They were responding to policy cut motions raised in the House by opposition MLAs on demand number 4, land revenue, stamps and registration and district administration. Responding on policy cut for demand number 4, land revenue, NBRN stressed on the need to form a law for the hilly areas over and above the existing Manipur Land Reforms and Land Revenue Act, while Revenue Minister Karam Sham said people are encroaching more than the allotted point 20 in the rural areas and point 10 in urban areas, relaxed under the Act for building houses on paddylands. He stressed on the need to take necessary measures on the same.
Overall plan revenue MLR in the Sanaba area Sigi plan Namadi Young Panato. I plan Hole Karai the residential honorable member and Jinahagudmana. Karai the housing areas in Karom Thamsi office secretariat Kagis home Ramina, housing in a cry Thamsi. Adagi Siki market portion of cry Thamsi, those have the overall comprehensive planning Amadi, including greater impulse. Yamathuta than I Yam Kanamadugi active work story. Even honorable speakers are whole state Sigwina Mathuta.
Education Minister T.H. Radhesham told in the House that there is no in toto approval given by the state government on the draft national education policy. He was responding to opposition MLA Surya Kumar Okram during the question hour of the Assembly session today. Minister Radhesham said the state government has urged the relevant ministry to discuss on its observations on the draft policy. He added that the state's recommendation to the ministry was sent after necessary discussions on the same by representatives of the Education Department, Students' Union and Teachers' Association. Responding to a supplementary question of the opposition MLA, Minister Radhesham said it is reasonable to ask a question in the exam on political parties and their symbols as these topics are included in the students' syllabus. Chief Minister N. Biren told the House that liquors worth around 8 crore 91 lakh rupees were seized by the Excise Department between April 1st, 2019 till January 1st this year. He said the department is working efficiently despite its lack of adequate manpower. Responding to policy cut motion raised by opposition MLA K.H. Joy Kishan on demand number 28 state excise, N. Biren said government is considering on recruiting adequate manpower of Excise Department in the near future. He also said state police along with NGOs and excise personnel are striving to curb drug manage in the state. Roch Medicity held its 16th Foundation Day celebrations at the hospital campus in North AOC today. Speaking at the event, Forest and Environment Minister Thangnausham Shyamkumar lauded Roch Medicity for its tremendous contribution in enhancing health sector of Manipur. He said staffs, doctors and nurses of the hospital are appreciated by the public for their professionalism and services. He also urged medical professionals to treat patients with kindness and compassion. Minister Shyamkumar also urged the public to refrain from self-medication. He appealed to take regular exercise, eat nutritious foods, and to maintain healthy habits at all times.
Rajmiti ki security ki discipline tersina matam chana khoi ki treatment toba nurse na seba toba mayam ji urkan nga si di kudong ati ba kanang sa ki purkan Rajmiti si te pu na sa ki Manipur pajame haide di kari tongan ba kathok ba amma ki service pajaba thabuk to ino mayam si ki top top gulduna ni nga si Rajmiti si da et kudong thiba kanda apaba rozo ade kanong ta bosu check up or health check up bosu Rajmiti sa lo na haide di kari no mayam si ki apaba service na khoi haile bine masih bagus makan bigan wana apel to ai giso andro kendra da hospital lama da khoi mating chauna pangbi duna lamdam dugi khoi gi lai ra praja mayam singa si khoi mating pangbi simaksu matin nungai.
Speaking on the occasion, Chairman cum Managing Director Roch Medicity Hobijam Rajan said success of an organization depends on cordial relations between the organization head and staffs, hence he strives for the same. H. Rajan said he has created a viable atmosphere for its staffs to enhance their efficiency. PDA Chairman Tongram Robindro, Jiribam MLA Mohammad Asabuddin, Director of Health Services Dr. K. Rajo and many people attended the event. Commendable staffs were felicitated on the occasion.
Employer musung employer ka relation je phatragadi organization de matom de lepangam de musimang mapam da ni bijin number message adna organization je mapung phana phana chalai ga da di organization matom da mangam da sum charpa taragadi employees je adum le horaga mamai dingda madu organization do khoi matom da marum dum lepa ngambadi laira na mangam da chakhe kena khali ba manglan ga loi fail hoidi customer satisfaction je ai employees na piga damni adu ai thodi customer member satisfaction piriba ai employee khuding ma mising me khan naidana satisfaction piba je masi ai priority ne khan je badana masi ai slogan ne.
Director of Regional Institution of Medical Sciences RIMS Professor A. Santa has announced increment of pension amount for RIMS pensioners. Speaking to media at RIMS today, Professor A. Santa disclosed that the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has approved pensions under 7th pay for around 900 RIMS pensioners. He appealed to the pensioners to submit their life certificates every 6 months. The RIMS director said 15 pensioners have been withdrawn as they failed to submit their life certificates and hence appealed to submit the necessary certificates to reverse the same.
Those pensioners are staying quite far away from RIMS, and those people who have already served more than 30-40 years, and then we suddenly realize that we may not be able to reach all of them. So through the press, we want to tell them that we will be implementing the 7th pay commission for them.
Bridge Construction and Demand Committee, Iril River, Huidrom sector has called for an indefinite ban on Imphal Ukhrul and Imphal KB roads from 6 a.m. tomorrow, demanding construction of an RCC bridge at Huidrom sector. The committee has relaxed the ban for essential services and for students appearing the ongoing Class 10 and 12 examinations. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, convener of the committee, Y. Posang, said sanction order for construction of the RCC bridge under PMGSY has been already issued following submission of DPR by the relevant officials.
Karigumba Urkungi Garising, Lakomatamda, Equigi Ban Tauriba, Kambuzina, Tugaiba, Yakaiba, May Tadokoto, Matamda, Equimasi Communion, Sakapigano, Communion, Nate, Singi, Levicinau, Singino, Equino Missimati, Equigi Demand Committee, Matiang Pang, Biduna Garis and Biganu, Aduga, Equigi Sagomang, Puakano, Kaibi, Rota, Siliva, Gari, Sinau Singjo, Punamak, Garisi Lepiduna. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯖꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯖꯤꯇꯦꯁꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯩꯕꯤ ꯁꯣꯒꯣꯃꯥꯡ ꯔꯣꯗꯇ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯎꯔꯈꯨꯜ ꯂꯝꯕꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯛ ꯌꯦꯠꯇ ꯆꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯤꯟ ꯏꯅꯥꯎꯁꯤꯡ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯄꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤ.
Proscribed Revolutionary People's Front RPF reportedly observed its 41 Independent Demand Day at the outfit's office, council headquarters, Central Bureau, SR1, SR2, SR3, SR4, People Liberation Army's General Headquarters, Tactical Command, Strategic Command, 252 Mobile Battalion, units, departments and stations. The proscribed outfit in a press release informed that its members, along with the public, hoisted the outfit's flag and hung festoon and stars of RPF at Division 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10 areas under RPF Central Bureau to mark the day. Family members have defended accused wife murderer Ayekpam Chinglin Sana. It may be mentioned that the Lamphel police have arrested Ayekpam Chinglin Sana and his brother as main suspects into the suspicious death of Chinglin Sana's wife, Tongtham Ningol Ayekpam Ongbi Merina from Takel Khongbal Maning Laikai. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Ayekpam Chitra accused Chinglin Sana's aunt appealed to late Merina's family not to accuse the brothers before knowing the truth and to let the court decide on the case.
Aina asum aranji amata khangjingai matamsida aigi ichanupa mihat tabajibu mihat patahanbiba aduga kaisuna tabada makoina makhulai oina sinaramba ichanupa je ngasi makoina aigi magi nupi du hatpa oiba taragadi tam ani makoi nupi memda kauba matamda karigida makta isada dandi pibiraktribano isada karigum amta hairaktribano moina karigida makta hanjal hanjan kaubira haga ai isada karimbo hairaktana moi mayumda leiro moi sora songe moi angang yotke habisu mayamna Masibu yaba wara sini aina mayam na thamningi se karigumba langla langjin ja chengwa puthora kanda aina isana mi harpo eramaba mana phangmam thokba tandido phangiba matamda mama ai kasu hairoi habi.
Scientists of Earth Science Department of Manipur University, Dr. S. Manichandra, stressed on the need to reconsider state government's approval on construction of 7-story buildings in Manipur as the state lies in the 5 seismic zone, the highest risk zone of earthquake in the world. He was speaking to Impact News on the sidelines of a two-day state-level awareness program titled Natural Disasters with emphasis on earthquake and week-long lecture series on earthquake organized by Manipur Science and Technology Council at its training hall in Tagilpad today. Dr. S. Manichandra said buildings in Imphal city were constructed without necessary test and construction protocols. Hence, there is high chance of unexpected structural collapse in the city. He said the government's new initiative in the wake of scarcity of land needs consultation with experts. Former Vice Chancellor of Manipur University, Professor C. Amuba, Director of Manipur Science and Technology Council, T.H. Surendrajit, Director of Science and Technology, E. Ibocha, and many people attended the event.
Manipur, especially Imphal Valley, high-rising building mayam laise. See mayam ji sadring the seismic microzonation and ama karama pum the kamwang pasabaya yaro and survey matorga mapam lake every mapam kunimake. Say Guati lay, Bangalore lay, major city man within Taureko. Notice it that Nagaland Korea had told the Manipur's Togri. At the situation to Todana. Sugam Saya near Wang Baya near Kamai Lepino have Makitang Mummy goes in. The same body say Uribo Mapada Saga. Building jiga kitang hatri long chaba ka manaro magi ground gi aako khar ka natural frequency namle fundamental frequency no ground sin nikadab masi gi value ji yenga plus nature of the soil gi property ma'am du yenga kanda lep kadab ne Manipur
All Manipur Students Union MSU has claimed unfair conduct of the ongoing Boston Class 10 examination at Tomcho Higher Secondary Exam Center in Mayang, Imphal. Speaking to media at MSU headquarters on DM University campus today, MSU Organization Secretary M. Praveen said MSU teams came across fair conduct of examination in many centers, but they came across mass cheating at Tomcho Higher Secondary Exam Center. He expressed suspicions that invigilators, security personnel and school staff might be involved in the mass cheating.
Tomcho Higher Secondary School Mang Falda MSUgi Timama Sangsilukanda Adukimetic atmosphere Mola Magaloina School Sida Bazar Monda Exam Tavemong Tenarpa MSUgi Tim Nojaki to Antoanba and Sassin Satin Pipe Technology Halakante Mamang Technical Masis the higher authorities in the session the Bidi Amadi School Gi Laiva Osi Amadi Sutuan Mataribo Zasing Sina Lotunaraga Tabak Toba Habs Suna Sing the Bangamde Handak class 11 gi question league or Kana Generation Zu Atumatamda Gomena Akwasak Pigadamni Kagimo Shinami Amsuna Akan Sing Same Sang Tamzari, Aduga, Nasigi, Toiva Todosi, Kadai Horkuno, Kamito have say, Kumna Sunazutis Mahodragan.
Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur DESAM in the press release said flying squads of AIMS and DESAM inspected 18 centers of the ongoing Class 10 exam conducted by BOSM today and came across fair conduct of the examination. However, they came across some unauthorized individuals posing as a flying squad at some examination centers. All Manipur Class 11 students protested at BT Road today demanding conduction of Class 11 examination, which is on hold due to question leakage latest by April. Protesting students expressed apprehension that they will not be able to complete Class 12 syllabus on time if the Class 11 exam is further delayed. They urged the relevant department to conduct the exam latest by April or to give promotion to all the Class 11 appearing students. Former Deputy Speaker and former Chingai MLA Presho Simre has lamented at the deplorable condition of Chingai High School in Chingai constituency, Ukhrul district. He was speaking on the sidelines of an inspection visit at the school, which is at the Loan Examination Center of the ongoing BOSM Class 10 examination in Chingai subdivision, stating that the road leading to the school is deplorable and the school lacks adequate teachers and infrastructure. He urged the government to revamp the school without further delay. United Clubs of Thanga in a press release strongly condemned the attempt to launch Loktak Inland Water Transport Service in the Loktak Lake. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on conferring of 8 Arambam Ibonghal and Binod Kumar Literary Award today. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Tuesday Prime Time English News on Impact TV. 8 Arambam Ibonghal and Binod Kumari Literary Award has been conferred upon the author of Hingna Siraba Punsi, M.K. Saroj Khan. Patriotic Writers Forum, Manipur organized the award distribution ceremony at Manipur Press Club today. Social and cultural activist Dr. S. Manauton, PAWF President Yeshkul Khairakpam and President of Manipur Literary Society Imphal S.H. Prahlad Singh graced the event. Manipur's renowned theatre group Kalachetra Manipur kicked off a 9-day festival of plays 2020 on its Golden Jubilee at Chandrakriti Auditorium in Palace Compound today. Speaking at the event, renowned theatre personality Ratan Thiam highlighted plights facing artists in the state. He said artists who are instrumental in preserving the state's unique art and culture are living a debilitating life due to lack of proper welfare measures for them. Ratan Thiam Igolazai's founder director of Kalachetra Manipur late Haishnam Kanhilal for all its contributions in the field of theatre. Taking part in the event, filmmaker Aribam Sham Sharma expressed a desire for the state government to take necessary measures in acknowledgement of all the great contributions made by the state's artist. Late Haishnam Kanhilal play Pebet based on Manipur folklore enthralled the audience on the occasion.
अखोगी तौहम थोपा अखोगी सिदैजिदा लैरबा एसोसिएशन खंगे थिएटरगी खंगे गवर्नमेंटगी खंगे मसिना तौहम थोपन मागी करिगुम्बा ममिंग अमा नत्रग मागी प्लेसगी करिगुम्बा चही अमदा सितौगे खोटके चही असुक सुरे अखोगी थिएटर हौजे 1925 दा नरसिंह सानबदगी नेना लौगी अदुदी चही चाम सुगदबजी आइना खंबदा चही मौद्रामा गुम सोरमनी हुजिक चही चाम सुरकदौरे अदुवरदी थिएटर दा यागी खनबीबा फै कैदौसिगे गवर्नमेंटसु खनबीबा फै
मतम खुदिमक्ता खंगदौबदी अखोइना अखोइ स्वाइदा खंगिदबगी वानी मतम खुदिमक्ता इंडियन थिएटर न निंगसिंगिबदी खाना निंगसिंगनै हाना हाबदा ओजा कन्हायागी ममिंग मंगजिन थाना लेरंगनी मा तौबतो हाइदन कोइना इला तौरिबसि करम हाइना तौगे हाइना हालरगा आर्ट एंड कल्चर द करनियुनी इजी चिजिन द करनियु अदगी संगीत नाट्य अकादमी द करनियुनी मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ कल्चर द करनियुनी बिखानी बे थबक सिदैसिदा पुंची हे दुम लोयरबा बिखानी बगु कद करी कवे थिएटर तो गो मणिपुर हेसे तौसनै गागनी अखोई कल्चर की मरमदा अखोइना मांगजिन थारिबनी अदु तौरिबनी काने ngang ममे मंत्री नुत्री हेंते अखोई दी अखोई परंपरा माकदमनी का तौसनै गागनी मोइना गसि कई तौरगे हैन हायदि लेटर करिंता तौरी
3-day translation workshop organized jointly by National Book Trust India and Writers Forum Imphal kicked off at Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy today. Speaking on the occasion, a director of National Book Trust India, Yuvraj Malik, said the workshop aimed to promote book culture in the country, especially among the children. He said the initiative will be carried in series and today's workshop was the first step of the series. Yuvraj Malik said further translation programs will be held where in Manipuri literatures will be translated into different languages of the country and literatures of other states will be translated into Manipuri. Translators were felicitated at the event.
So this will definitely attract a lot of children and create a lot of interest in them and promote them towards book reading. Not only this, we are going to come up with a national level book fair very soon in coming months in Imphal, so that this book culture is developed and children feel inclined and motivated to read more books and this culture sets in. And days to come, we will also try to bring and promote some literature festival with local support and local authors forums. So all these activities are entirely mandated to achieve the objective of promoting book culture and promotion to literature and heritage which we have all over countryside.
Field Outreach Bureau, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting organized one-day Ek Bharat Shrestha Bharat program at RDO College of Nursing in Lamsang today. An interaction program and a quiz competition were also held at the event. Certificates were distributed to winners of the competition. Singjumai United Clubs Organization SUCO, a conglomerate of 22 clubs of Singjumai, has appealed not to organize Thabal Chongba events in Singjumai area during Yaukshang and Cheirawa festivals. General Secretary Administration of SUCO, Leishangthem Naubi, in a press release, urged the residents of Singjumai and the public to extend their support on the same. Maira Global is supplying Manipur's indigenous handicraft and pottery items to the European markets. Proprietor of Maira Foods, Hanjabam Subra, sent off the first consignment of Maira Global under Maira Foods to Netherlands today. Speaking on the sidelines of the flagging off event held at Nahabam Aribam Laikai in Imphal East today, Hanjabam Subra said the first consignment includes Kauna craft, traditional basketry, Thongjao pottery, handloom and block print items. She expressed hope that the consignment will popularize Manipur's indigenous products in the international markets and boost the state's artisans' income. Hate Subra said Jos Burway of Netherlands-based Stitching Woolfully Art ordered the products and it was designed after selections made by one Dutch woman, Marie Kohn. She also said arrangements are all set to export pineapple products of the state under Maira Foods to France.
Regular markets in quite a maru or say, artisans in Sida. Moidang Sagi, Sidasun Tanbadi, I had a some regular oida, but fluctuation am labor say. Moigidi once a mutayap or Chahi Magimana fixed or any sea palmy habiduma. Ado the Tama the Moy artisanamana cam tanninge habido, Madu the focus on my tabaxuza payareba. I tham the listen taratage, kuntangi, kuntratange, artisan to depend or any heba. When a shubang and bigichang, Matum the sugar, Munum Pulaga Sugera, have the designer fixed or a Peter Kanamo, do Matum Sura Aneba. Nahanga fix oiram the bene. Aduna quality control say on why. Aduka Queen Music Yamagi, Kadusina, Jaga Super say, my Sugi was quite a while port Makani, workshop again Makada Sura, the quality control say, I'm blind at Obangami. Adumanga Queen Tauris workshop again Makada Tabak Base, so that as I quality say Moina Palm, you put up Chanta on the Bahida.
Jawaharlal Manipur Dance Academy in a press release condoled the untimely demise of former Pung musician of a GN Manipur Dance Academy production unit, T.H. Ibo Choba, who passed away on February 21st. One-day free medical camp sponsored by Medical Department ADC Churachandpur was held at Lamjang village in Churachandpur district today. Around 1,500 people from 5 villages under 2 polling stations, namely Lamjang and Ngoifai, attended the camp held under the initiative of P. Kamkholal, executive member of ADC Churachandpur, 22 Haupi Range MDC. Dr. Thankolet Haukep MO, ADCC, led the medical team of 3 nurses and 5 pharmacists. Free medicines were distributed to patients at the camp. Speaking on the occasion, P. Kamkholal encouraged people to get regular medical checkup. He said the medical camp conducted for the first time under 22 Haupi range was the 3rd one for this year.
Masi Lamjang Kunda Hoigi free medical camps Pangpani Haibise in a Puru Bini Aduga Masnasi Lapa Anna Ajik Leba putting Makada Limna free oina Hidak Suki Yagani Haibise Masi Hoigi Emni Dura DC Council Munum Sanba Kunato Pato Pada Sahi putting to Vanina Kumsigi Oina Nasisi 22nd Haupi Range Autonomous District Council Constituency Ihan Han Bani.
Nehru Yuva Kendra Bishnupur along with SDO Pubala held one-day awareness program on youth against drug and alcohol at Pubala Loktak Maru Community Hall in Bishnupur district today. Awareness on policing was also held in association with Moirang Police on the occasion. One of the major festivals of the Tangkhul community, Luira Panit, was celebrated at New Kanan village in Ukhrul district today. The event was held on the theme Culture for Sustainable Development. The village chief announced cultivation season and distributed seeds to the villages on the occasion. Various cultural items of Tangkhul community were showcased at the event attended by Vice Chancellor of Manipur International University, Dr. Harikumar Palat Tharka, President of All Manipur Travel Union, R.K. Ajin, and Ukhrul SDO, Christian Home Huilin. Now the sports news. Department of Youth Affairs and Sports Manipur observed Sanaroi Singye Numit 2020 at Kumal Lampak Sports Complex Men's Stadium today. The day is being observed since February 25, 2000, commemorating Manipur's victory in the 1999 National Games hosted by Manipur from February 14 to 25th, wherein the state bagged 49 golds, 24 silvers and 39 bronze medals, securing altogether 484 points and lifted the coveted Raja Bhalendra Singh Trophy. Manipur has so far 18 Arjuna awardees, 17 Olympian, 4 Padma Shri awardees, 3 Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna awardees, 1 Dronacharya Dhyan Chand, Padma Bhushan and Padma Bidushan awardee each, 1 Olympic bronze medalist, 26 Asian Games medalist, and 30 Commonwealth Games medalist. Sports teachers and sport persons took part in the ceremonial race held at the stadium on the occasion. Speaking at the event, Yas Minister Lepau Haukip lauded sports persons of the state for bringing laurels despite various challenges. He assured that the government will facilitate them and provide them necessary help at its best. Yash Commissioner Bobby Wycombe IAS, Yash Director Dr. K. Shamsundar, other eminent officials of Yash Department, sports enthusiasts, and many people attended the event.
Ngasi overlaiba nahanon sananusi mayamna hausi phawda leiba status boxing gi archery gi amadi football gi any discipline the status is civil kitang wakan naba wakan lon determination ama thamakanda apoi mamang chatuna improvement produktana apoi food naba lep tabaduna
Jiribam district also observed 21st Sanaroi Singye Numit 2020 today. Maira Club Chingdong Laikai organized the event at Chingdong Laikai Community Hall. Speaking at the event, Vice Chairman of Manipur Food Industries Corporation Limited, K. Sarat Kumar urged the public to save youths from drug abuse.
Sana kurang membuat tarikon matanda, sehingga nak mau ina, amuda bani harus yang matanda tu, yang sana demand ni. Adu kumba demand sih tu manuga point tanah muda bukan 30 point ada demand ni pun itu. Sportsmen sih kamu apa tu bani apa, koi kunung jaba, apa yang apa tu nanti pension ki alu nanti pension benefit sih buat kayak apa tu bani apa na. Ina cuma 30 point ada demand lo. Adu ki manuga, amma boleh buat sportsmen deh.
Manipur Adventure and Mountain Bikers Association MMBA today felicitated Ronald Kundrakpam, who has bagged medals in the recent mountain biking competition organized by Cycle Federation of India CFI at Haldwani in Uttarakhand. The felicitation ceremony was held at Ningthokong. It may be mentioned that Ronald Kundrakpam clinched a silver medal in men's junior time trial and the bronze medal in cross-country competition mass start category of the competition held from February 20 to 22nd. Ronald was trained under MMBA members R.K. Saityajeet and Dennis Fuditsaba. YMDA Maibam Laikai defeated YMDO Hirangoithong by 3-1 in the final match of the first Major Maibia Tamara Singh Memorial Open Volleyball Tournament 2020 at YMDA ground in Lewa Road, Maibam Laikai today. YMDA's player jersey number 2, Santos, was adjudged the best player of the tournament, and the best disciplined team went to TRYVC Ukrul. Indigenous sports meet held since February 22nd at P. Konomphai village in Kangpokpi district concluded today. United Chingtam Club Association and Purum Area Youth Development Organization organized the sports meet jointly with an aim to safeguard the state's integrity and to promote peace. People of 7 villages competed in 5 different sports events during the meet. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. House of 10th session of 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly unanimously passes 6 demands for grants amounting over 2,000 crore rupees today. Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren says necessary actions should be taken against violators of Manipur Conservation of Paddyland and Wetland Act. Education Minister T.H. Radhesham says no in toto approval yet by state government on draft national education policy. Minister T.H. Shyamkumar appreciates Raj Medicity for all its initiatives in health sector of Manipur on its 16th Foundation Day. Manipur's renowned theatre group Kalachetra Manipur kicked off 9-day Festival of Plays 2020 on its Golden Jubilee. And Youth Affairs and Sports Department observed Sanaroi Singin Numit 2020 at Kumanlampak Sports Complex, Main Stadium today.